What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me again, my friends, for another Sunday stream. So today, guys, we're going to be doing lifetime Discord giveaway number 69, and I'm also going to be doing number 70 tonight. All right. So we're on our way to 100 lifetime Discord giveaways, and I'm also going to be doing a $500 cash giveaway and another $50 cash giveaway. I did one last week. All right. So can we get 100 likes on this video? Make sure you stay all the way to the end. I've picked the winner for number 69, and let's get 100 likes for 100 lifetime. Okay, let's do that. All right. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. So first and foremost, for me, I'm up $15,572.42 this week. Again, guys, we had the same thing with just one good Fibonacci trade per week to really make profit. I had a 100% win rate this week on the Fibonacci trades, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did that with futures and stocks. Big updates on AMD, NVDA, Google, Amazon, and we're going to do a market outlook, and I'm also doing a seminar, which I'll talk about in a second. All right. So let's get right into it. 15,000, I finally broke the 400K mark, and I really want to try to do a $100,000 month. And you guys are going to be along there for the journey. You're going to get all the updates and everything, and I'm going to share with you all the trades. You guys know I give a lot of free picks every single day, so make sure you guys drop a like on the video. Let's go. All right. So the first thing we're going to start off here is with ES, okay? And this is what I mean by keeping it simple, looking for one Fibonacci trade per week. All right. So I'm going to start off. This yellow line is Sunday. So this is where the week started. Okay. So I'm going to hit the replay and I'm going to talk to you exactly about what I did. Okay. So the first thing that you always want to do is coming into the week, you need to understand where are my levels, where are my Fibonacci levels. Okay. So we can clearly see if we look here, this was the high of last week, 58.30. And then we had this low anchor back on Wednesday, which is the lowest point on this chart. This is the ES futures chart. I'm on the 4-hour chart, by the way. Okay. So we have our low to our high. So we know what we're looking for this week is a retracement to the 618, right? That's very simple. We know if we get a 618 trade, it's going to be a very good risk to reward trade. It's going to be buying the dip. So we know that we're going to have a good opportunity to make some money. So let's go ahead and fast forward. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so this is going into Monday morning. We're consolidating. And through all of this, you see how we're just chopping back and forth? I don't care. I'm not a part of this. I know where I need to get long. I know how to keep it simple. Okay. And then here we go. Boom. There's our fill. Okay. What I want you guys to see is look at this power right here. Okay. This is Fibonacci. This is my dream. This is my passion and my love. As soon as we touch that 618 level, bang, we pop right back up. You see that, guys? We touch it and bang, we pop right back up. So right on that, I was up $3,400. I took 2 contracts. We pop right back up. So from there, I immediately put my stop loss to break even. So I basically look at the heat on this trade. You see how it touched it and then ripped? I had no heat on this trade and I moved my trailing stop loss up. And unfortunately, guys, I got taken out for $2,000. Okay. So all in all, one good fib trade, 2 grand in profit. I was up 3,500 at one point. Okay. Am I sad about that? No, absolutely not. If I can come every week and recycle $2,000 in the market, I'm going to beat the market, right? So there we go. So $2,000 locked in. All right. So what I want to show you right now is the rest of the price action for the week. So you could see we also retested the 618. So I did not take this retest, but what we did do on Friday on the live stream, I'm going to show you guys a little secret now. We went live and we had this Fibonacci drawn. This was the low to high. This is a smaller leg right here. And I'm going to go ahead and click the basic. And what you'll see if I go down to an hourly chart, you'll see coming into, so this is Friday morning. We went live on the Discord and we pulled back to the 618 and we were able to catch this one and this one ended up ripping. So 2 amazing Fibonacci trades for the week. And I'm going to show you guys something now that's even going to blow your mind. Okay. So you might say, Rich, I don't like to take long. By nature, I like to short. Sure. Okay. What about this, my friends? If we come off of this high to the 618 low right here, here's your 618 rejection right here. So from here to here, okay, we dropped from this 618 down all the way to this wick. Okay, that's 40 points. Even if you take 10 points on that or 20 points, that's between $500 to $1,000 on one contract. All right. So there's so many opportunities. And the whole point of this video and the whole point, the reason why I still talk about the same thing after a decade, why I've been doing YouTube for the last 3 years and I've been saying the exact same damn thing is because it works. And I'm here to make money, guys. I'm not here to bring some bullshit strategy with some theory and some stuff like that to you guys. I'm trying to bring my real experience with my real trades. And these fibs, there's always going to be at least one good fib a week that's going to help you bank. Okay. So now I'm just going to walk into the Discord here and I just want to show you that I call this out in real time. So we have 3 alert channels. This is the Fibonacci alert channel. So you could see, so this was my fill from yesterday. So you could see we got filled and or I was up $400 instantly because it popped right up, and then we were up 3,400, and then I ended up getting trailed out for 2,000, which I talked about in the members lounge right here. So if you go to the members lounge, you will see we have a lot of good interaction with our community, a lot of people asking questions about fibs, and we draw them together. And then there was the initial 420. Okay. So I love to give updates in the lounge, and then there was the 3,000, and then there was the close for 2,000. So, $2,000, and the trade lasted, an hour or so. I'm not gonna complain. What we did do, and which I'm still holding, is we also took a trade on SPY. So a lot of you guys are saying, Rich, what about options? I can't trade futures. Well, here we go. So I took these contracts right here. Let me just make this a little bit smaller, and let's go back to the full screen. Oops. So we took these SPY calls from 1085 to 1350, and we're still holding. We have it till the end of October. Here was the setup from Discord. So this was the Golden Dragon, and then you can see right here, filled 567 calls. So this trade, right? It's the same concept. Okay. Here is the low from the previous 2 weeks. You could see there was an open gap. So this is why I picked this as an anchor. And then here's the clear high, which came back on Thursday. And then from there, you'll see on Tuesday, we ended up getting filled on the 618 to the penny. Okay. So we got filled. It popped up about 10-15% right away. And then from there, came back down. So there was 3 opportunities, 1, 2, 3, but you could see how powerful the 618 is. And then finally we got the move we were looking for. And I'm still holding through the end of October. I want to see it break through. Okay. And again, let me just go ahead and walk you guys through the call outs so you guys can follow along. So this channel right here, the Dragon Spy Lottos, I don't post often in here because I'm only looking for 618 trades. And then you can see here, this was October 1st. And then we had the setup right there, 566.14. And then there was the filled. So if I filled, I got in at 1085. And right now we are at 1350, which is good. So a few $100s in profit, nothing huge, but I'll show you something huge. Boom, AMD. Okay, so AMD, I shared this with you guys a while back, back in early September. So finally, guys, these calls have just, you can see where AMD is right now on the way up to 170 mark. These calls from 839 to 3203, 281%. This is my best option play on stocks for the year. 839 to 3203, again, we did the same thing. What is the pattern? The pattern is right here, guys. We bought the 618 pullback back in early September. And then from there, if you look at the risk reward tool, you can see the risk was off of this swing low. And this is one of the most epic runs I've ever seen on a stock. Okay, so right now, that's a 6.65 risk reward factor on AMD. So really, really nice. Let's move on. The next one is NVIDIA, another banger here. So 761 to 1855. I took AMD and NVIDIA at the same time because the setup was the same. I had no idea that what would happen is AMD would outperform NVIDIA. But at the end of the day, what I want to tell you guys, a lot of people ask me about this, is, how do you deal with the emotions? How do you deal with the news? Guys, just take the setup. Forget about everything else. I'm risking $761, and I've turned that into what? Almost 1,900 on this one contract. That's all you got to think about. Don't overcomplicate it. Look at that beautiful 618 right there, and then we're popping. We didn't even make a new high yet, okay? But the point is, don't get in your head. You focus on the setups. There's always going to be one good Fibonacci trade per week that's going to allow you to succeed, okay? So let's continue now. Google. So Google, I'm going to go over to the weekly chart here. This is the one I told you guys about last week. So I bought 478 shares. I'm up a little over $2,000. but I still think Google has a lot of potential. So I wanted to share that with you guys, and Amazon as well. I still we see have this hammer close. You guys know I'm heavy. I bought more shares last week. I was looking to buy some options, but unfortunately, it never crossed and held the 618. So I was looking for this 618, right? So if we draw our new leg now, we come off of this low. We can go all the way back here, or we can go here. Either one is okay. But let's do the immediate leg right here. Boom. And let's draw the other leg, this one right there. So you can see the immediate leg is the one holding right now. And from here, you could see it gapped up above the entry. And I also had a tiny entry, which was low to high here, and it never held it. So I didn't get any options, unfortunately. But I am in calls. So, at the end of the day, as long as I have the calls, sorry, the shares, as long as I have shares, I'm still in the play and it helps me to deal with the FOMO. Okay. All right. So just to show you guys the stocks, let's go over here. So you just go to alerts, new stocks, and then you can see here was AMD. Can see the original call of an AMD back in September 9th. Okay, and NVDA is there as well. All right, guys. So we're going to take a little bit of a look at the market outlook. But what I wanted to just say is this. Both of these rooms that you're seeing are only $100 for life. And you get the book. Okay. I mean, what more do you want than that? Come right here. Go to the website. Let me just move this 1 second here, guys. Go to the website, tradingwars.com. If you want to get the stock book, just go right here, tradingwars.com, click on stock options trading. It's $100 for life. Everyone this year that have bought the book have already made back their money on $100. Okay. You'll get it for life. I know it says 1 month for free here, but I'll automatically upgrade you guys to lifetime. This is my push to grow the stock room. It is my futures room, and my SPY room is my biggest room. But the stocks, I can trade stock, guys. Okay. And I've proved it to you guys. And I want you guys to understand that Fibonacci works on everything. So go ahead and secure that deal. October 20th, I'm going to go through a very detailed seminar on futures and Fibonacci. We already have the write-up done. It's based on the trade we took 2,000 to 20,000. It's going to be exclusive to members only. So if you're a Discord member, like if you get the lifetime deal, you'll have access. Or if you're a Trading Wars Army member, which is $4.99, you click the join button below, you're going to get access to that as well. So don't miss out on that seminar, because it's going to be, it's almost like I wrote a book for that seminar, and it's very, very detailed. Okay. So let's do the market outlook, and I'll show you guys the Fibonacci winner for this week. And then I'm going to pick number 70 is going to be a winner from Twitter. So please make sure you comment on my X/Twitter post as well. But the winner tonight for number 69 is going to be from YouTube for the comments, because you guys have been commenting on YouTube. You guys have been saying Fib King, and I want to support you guys for leaving a comment. And let's go ahead and let's just do a quick market outlook right now. Okay, so if we come back here on SPY, we go to the weekly chart. So let's go to SPX. So I have a clean chart. This is so this was my last big play on SPX, 1392 to 3550. But let's continue here. So we have a very nice little hammer bar here. The market, as long as we don't gap down or open with a weakness in futures, we probably see all-time highs next week. Everything is trending towards that. This is a little bit of a bear trap. And then let's look at tech. So tech is weak. Tech is weak. Amazon a little bit more stronger, Google more stronger, but Microsoft has really pulled tech down, which is tough for me because it's one of my bigger positions. But anyways, semiconductors, I do feel like there's been some rotation. We could see right here, boom and boom. So I'm happy that I was able to take advantage of that. Tesla went through a crazy week last week. We had this outside bar, which we were up and then we were down, and then there was news, etc. So I'm watching Tesla as well. Apple, another indecision week as well. Meta has been a crazy market leader, and I wish I was able to get on this train, but for me, it's too late now. I'm not going to be chasing it. IBKR, this is just something I follow, the broker that I use. You guys know I love IBKR. Netflix, another power close. SMCI, consolidating like crazy. At some point, the options are going to be really cheap here, so I'm going to be looking for that. Berkshire, I follow that. Walmart, I follow inside week as well. Cart, something that I'm playing around with, a little bit of money. Not bad. I see some potential on this, but this is my watch list. That's what I'm looking at. Okay. So like I said, guys, let's go ahead and pick the winner. So the lifetime winner for today is going to be Mr. Where are you? I actually picked the winner, but I can't find them anymore unless it changed. All right, so let's just do this. I had picked a winner, but I don't see the comment anymore. So what we're gonna do is we're just going to pick the fifth comment because that's what I normally do. Okay. So one, two, three, four, five. So right here, Tamano 252, 6 day ago. Thanks, Fib King. You are the winner of the lifetime Discord giveaway. Please email me rich@tradingwars.com or send me a DM on Twitter or on Discord, and I'll take care of you, brother. So guys, make sure you please comment Fib King on this video. This is going to be on YouTube. It's also going to be on X. You can comment on X, comment on YouTube. The next winner, number 70, will be picked by the end of tonight or early tomorrow morning, depending on what I do for my dinner tonight, because I'm going out with my wife. But hopefully I pick the winner tonight. I want to thank you guys very much. The message of this video is to really focus on just one solid Fibonacci trade. Thank you for staying all the way to the end. Drop a like. And like I said, take advantage of the $100 deal, the $100 stock deal, and the $100 futures deal. If you have any issues, email me, rich@tradingwars.com. Thank you so much, guys. And let's hit 100K this month, okay, in profits. 100K this month. Maybe I'll get 100K subscribers on YouTube. Maybe that's the way the world works. Thank you so much for your time.